Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to 365 Ninja. Today I'm going to show you a PowerPoint tip that can really add a lot to your presentations. I'm going to show you how to add hyperlinks to text, images, other objects in your PowerPoint slides to multiple different places. You have a lot of options with hyperlinks in PowerPoint, so let's dive right in. I'm here in PowerPoint 2013. These same steps will work in PowerPoint 2016. So you may already be familiar with this method of hyperlinking. So let's highlight some text, right-click, select hyperlink, and on the existing file or web page tab, you can simply type in a URL in the address field. So now that is linked. You can see it noted here with an underline. If I go into reading view, let's just test it out. Skip ahead to that slide. So you can see my mouse pointer change. And actually, this is a really good point here. So I made the mistake of not typing in the HTTP before I typed in portal.office365.com. So PowerPoint assumed that I was typing in an internal location, and you can see that it's going to launch SharePoint. So if you do want to link to a URL, be sure to type in that intro of the URL. But what I will show you is that if I click on it, I get a not found. Let me actually show you what happens when I enter the correct URL. All right, so here we are, we're back. I click it. My default browser launched, it's over here in a different window, so let me just pull it over and prove it to you. My link worked. All right, so let's go back to our slideshow. Now you can also select an image or a shape and hyperlink that. So I click to select, and I'm going to still right click and select hyperlink. What I want to show you this time is that you can link to another place in the document. So if you make a reference to information on another slide, or you have slides that are related or something like that, this can be really helpful. So what I'll do here is I will link to the conclusion slide just so we know for sure if it works. So when we click on that Office 365 logo, it should jump to the conclusion slide. Now we'll go to reading view. All right, here we are. You can see the first link that I added has now changed color because I visited that page. Now let's click on Office 365 and we jump right to that conclusion slide. So awesome element that you can add to your PowerPoint slides, linking to URLs, to other places in your document. If you explore that right-click hyperlink menu, you'll also see that you can make a mail to link. So it's basically a link that will launch the audience's or whoever's clicking on that link, it'll launch their default mail client and open an email. A lot of things you can do to make your PowerPoint slides more interactive and keep the recipient of your slides engaged. Hope that tip helps. For more tips and tricks like this in Office 365 and PowerPoint, please check back with 365ninja.com. Thanks.